Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to use Proxychains when browsing the web. So you can automatically change IP addresses, so it's a little bit more anonymous online. So I'm using Kali version 2021.1. Okay, for us to start, you can use Open Terminal and navigate over to, I'm going to use Nano for this Nano, / editing, proxychains.com. I'm just going to add in a sudo to root rights to change anything in that config file. Password. Okay. For this we'll be using the dynamic chains. HTTP Tor protocol. We'll be using SOX 5 for this version of our Proxychains. So all of this hashtags it's commented out for the protocol we're going to use. So all of them are basically deactivated or disabled at the moment. So for us to enable them, we must just remove the hashtag on the protocol we are using. And for this one, we'll be using dynamic to run through all of the proxies in our list. And what's good about this, all the dead proxies, it will just skip over it and it runs kill our session basically. So we'll be using the dynamic static. The moment we hit a dead proxy, we'll have to start the proxy chain over again. So dynamic chains for this video. As well, that will only change our IP address, but the DNS requests, it will still pick up your location. So yeah, by the proxy DNS request now leak, we can also just enable that, just like that. Scroll down to the bottom. Here we will be using the SOX 5. So at the bottom of the SOX 4 we just add SOX 5 in, SOX 5 and then hit tab. We'll use the same format as the top one, space 905. Okay, so that's basically all we are changing for us to use this. So you can just hold Control and O to save, enter, and Control X to exit. So we are done with that part. Now we can just listen and see if it's working. So here you just type in Proxychains, and I'll be using Firefox for our browser, and I'll open DuckDuckGo. Okay, so let's see what's my theme. Looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, the South Africa. The crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running up and coming. So the internet will be a bit slower because we are running through this Proxychains. So currently I'm in Switzerland, and in that IP address is switched to a DNS request as well, just to make sure our DNS is pointing to a different country as well, not just the IP that's being placed in a different country. Okay, so the internet is quite slow. using Proxychains. Let's see DNS loop test.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you
So
know
let's
that
go in
she's a bad
Switzerland.
chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears,
150
short
goes to
skirt and a
150.
jacket. I just wanna get
Let's
her
do
up
a
and down
standard
on my
test.
mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic, all natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I'm saying. They say that she's not easy, but she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so excited. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated.
Well, that's good. So that's basically how to use Proxychains. Keep yourself anonymous. I hope this video helps. If it helped, please like, subscribe. Sorry about the audio. I'm using my laptop at the moment. I'll get a new microphone as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.